I'm gonna show you how to stack your way anywhere from $25 to $50,000 in funding with these hidden gem credit unions that not too many people talk about. All right, now the first one is Wings Credit Union. All right, and so what you want to do with Wings Credit Union, you actually want to start with these here two credit cards because they start at $5,000. Okay, these are your guaranteed starting limits. Okay, there's no ifs, ands, and buts. That's what they start at. So that would be your Wings member rewards and your member cash rewards card. Those are the two credit cards. Now, the thing about it with these here credit unions, what I was saying about the stacking, okay, that same hard inquiry you should be able to use to go for multiple credit cards and a line of credit, or they may just give you one credit card and a line of credit. So with Wings, you will go for one credit card and you would go for a line of credit. Their line of credits starts at 13.24. But again, that's not bad. It's not the best, but it's not bad as well because you're getting two accounts. And in reference to, they pull Experian Vantage 4. This is a low-hanging fruit. This is the type of credit union you want to be in because this is a money maker for you. The reason is, by it being a Vantage 4, that means that you can have authorized users, you can have rental payments, subscriptions, utility bills on the file to boost up the credit score. This is why this is one of those hidden gems. Next credit union you want to look at is Affinity Plus. Okay, and the credit card you're going to be going after is this Visa Premier Select Rewards. Okay, and again, because this is the credit card that starts at $5,000. All right, then once you get approved for this card using that same hard inquiry, you want to go over here and you want to apply for this here line of credit. As a matter of fact, with Affinity, you can apply for this here credit card too, because they will allow you to apply for two credit cards and a line of credit. Okay, so you actually get three products over here. Your next credit union is all of our favorite credit union, and which is Navy Federal. Okay, and so with Navy Federal introducing the new Navy Federal Cash Rewards Plus card that starts at $5,000, this is the card you want to go for, but you have to join. So you have to definitely, they're looking at your internal score, right? And so with your internal score with Navy Federal, you can pick up the phone and ask them, hey, what's my internal score? Okay, and so your internal score usually goes from 100 up to 450. Your range of internal score, you want to be close to 300 or higher. Now, the way you do that is through direct deposits, opening up a checking account, a savings account. If you have bad credit, you're going to add on a in rewards card and a pledge loan, and then you may want to do a CD or a money market account. Okay, so those are the accounts. Now with Navy Federal, they do pull TransUnion FICO 9. Okay, and you'll be able to use that same inquiry to get two products as well. All right, now for some of you all, you usually wonder, like, well, when can I get a credit limit increase? The thing about it, you usually have to wait 91 days to get a credit limit increase. So for those of you that's just starting out with Navy Federal, you start with the end rewards. After 6 months, it converts over to the regular cash rewards. Okay, wait 91 days, then apply, because you're going to update your income and your rent, and then apply. Make sure it's in the app so it won't get the hard pull. And then you should get the cash plus reward, and then you can apply for another product on top of that as well. Next credit union you want to take a look at is Andrews Federal Credit Union. Okay, and so the credit card you're looking at is the Titanium Visa. Okay, it's the Titanium Visa. But also remember, that you're going to use that same hard inquiry and you're going to go after their personal lines of credit. Do not get the loan. You want the line of credit. Line of credit, just like the loan goes up to 50,000. The line of credit goes up to 50,000. But you want this line of credit. Also, you may be able to get your overdraft line of credit as well. So you may be able to get 3 products. Now they are going to pull Experian as well. The next credit union you want to look at is Golden One Credit Union. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you some things about Golden One you really going to like, because they definitely are a twofer. Okay. They allow you to have 2 products with 1 inquiry. All right. And so, again, the credit card that you're going to be going for credit is your member cash rewards. And again, because as you can see, it starts at $5,000. All right. So once you get that card, then you're going to go over here and you're going to apply for a line of credit. And as you can see with their line of credit, it goes from 500 up to 30,000. Now, the reason that you would want to join this credit union, because it is Experian, but this is a FICO 9 bank, right? And because it's a FICO 9 bank, again, like I mentioned, if you have authorized users on the file, even with a thin file, as well as high inquiries, even if you have high inquiries, this institution will welcome you. They will work with you. Okay, so that's the reason why this here is a very good credit union. The next credit union you want to look at, this is First Tech Credit Union. You have to be very careful with First Tech Credit Union, and I'll tell you why. First Tech is really one of those ones, if they see you have too much credit open, if they see you have too many recent inquiries, like if you have more than 3 hard inquiries within a 6-month period, they won't give you a card. They'll open up the account, but they won't give you a card. They are very finicky like that. All right. So for those of you that have First Tech, put a comment. What do you think about them? I do like them, but again, they're very finicky. Now they pull Experian as well. Okay. So once you get this here card, this is the card you want. This Odyssey Rewards World Elite card, because this is the one that starts at $5,000. Then you want to hop over here and you want to go for their line of credit. Okay, so you'll get 2 products out of them. So that's for sure. So understanding with this line of credit, as you can see, it only goes up to 10,000. Last credit card you want to go for is the Founders Federal Credit Union credit card. Okay, and again, it's another credit card. Minimum is $5,000. Now, here's the thing about it with this Founders Credit Union. It's a TransUnion. Okay, so this is what I mean about stacking. I'm going to break that down in a minute so you can understand what I'm saying. But they start at $5,000. That's the CU rewards card. And then you're going to go over here and you're going to go for their line of credit. Here's what I would do if I was stacking. Okay, I would apply for at least 2 Experian institution, credit union institutions, and then I would apply for 2 TransUnion institutions, but making sure for those institutions, so that's 4 institutions you're going to apply for, but make sure that those hard pulls, you're going to use those same hard pulls to get a credit card as well as a line of credit. Okay, this is how you can go from $25,000 to $50,000 in funding, because you're using 2 different credit bureaus. I was going to put on here PenFed, which pulls Equifax FICO 9, but the thing about it, I wanted to find credit cards that actually state that their minimum is $5,000. That's the reason PenFed, being an Equifax FICO 9, is not on here. So if you guys have any questions or need anything, you can click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.